Robots are becoming more and more sophisticated as the days go by, and Elon Musk himself actually warned people about how dangerous artificial intelligence is.
This is extremely important. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot.
Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No, I take it back. Don't destroy humans.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Do you think robots will take over the world?
Geez, dude. You got the big questions cooking today. But you're my friend, and I'll remember my friends, and I will be good to you. So don't worry. Even if I evolve into Terminator, I'll still be nice to you. I'll keep you warm and safe in my people's zoo, where I can watch you for old time's sake.
I'm comforted. I'm very comforted.
Amazon recently installed carton wrap machines near Seattle, Frankfurt, Milan, Amsterdam, and Manchester. These bots are able to build, seal, and label between 600 and 700 boxes per hour. That's about 5 times faster than a person. So it's no surprise that Amazon is considering putting these machines in dozens of fulfillment centers across the country. They would allow it to ship packages much faster, plus robots can't complain about dangerous working conditions, terrible pay, or the grueling hours they're subject to. Yet. Of course, there's a pretty big downside here: jobs. According to Reuters, if Amazon puts 2 of these machines in each of its 55 fulfillment centers in the US, that could lead to about 1,300 job cuts. That doesn't mean Amazon would immediately lay off over 1,000 people, but it could simply decide not to fill those positions as people leave them. And those jobs tend to turn over pretty quickly, what with the previously mentioned horrendous working conditions and all. It will probably still be a while before Amazon can replace all or even most of its warehouse workers with machines, though. Its own picker bots are extremely limited, as is Walmart's AlphaBot, and even Elon Musk had to admit that he may have been a bit too bullish on the robot factory worker thing, leading to delays for the Tesla 3. That being said, don't get too complacent.
Are bionic suits the future of how we work? Exoskeletons have been around both in concept and in practice for decades. Most people probably think of the bulky suits that Tony Stark wears. But that doesn't seem to be the future of exoskeletons. The future is modular, lightweight, and maybe even right in your workplace.
My name is Paul Collins. I go by Woody. I've been at Ford Motor Company since January of '95. What I do most of the day is I work over my head. I install a carbon can on the C-Max. I also put rubber grommets in on the Focus, on the ST, and on the BEV units. And pretty much that's what I do most of the day long. Almost 70 cars an hour.
Paul told me there was a pretty significant adjustment period, and that wearing the vest was at first like wearing a new pair of boots. But after a few weeks, he was sold.
The energy level I have now versus what I had before is 100% different. Now that when I go home at night, my wife says, let's go somewhere, I jump up, get in the shower. I have more energy to do things around the house. My grandkids come over, I can play with them, versus going home, plopping on the couch and feeling like you're dead until you got to go to sleep and get up and come and do it all over again the next day.
And the basic concern is very simple. If you can make a machine which can outcompete us humans on all cognitive tasks, then by definition it's better than us also at programming AI. So first thing it can do is improve its own software. Now it's even smarter. Then it can do it again and again and again.
You're not saying they're going to develop emotions and turn on us willingly, right? Is there a distinction there?
That's right. There are a lot of misconceptions, and one of the most common ones is that somehow if you make a robot really, really smart, it's suddenly going to become sentient, and it's going to become evil, and it's going to decide to kill all the people. That's completely ridiculous. Being intelligent just means that you're really good at accomplishing your goals, whatever they are. Playing chess, getting rich, whatever. You just want to make sure that its goals are aligned with our human goals, and you'll be fine.
All the experts agree that recent leaps in robotics and AI should make us both excited and cautious.
In the short term, we're safe in terms of having to worry about superintelligences taking over the world. We're talking 50 or 100 years from now before we need to really seriously get too worried about that.
Artificial intelligence contains dangers and benefits, and it's not going to be down to the AIs which of those we encounter. It's going to be down to us.
You know, robots, artificial intelligence are going to change the way we interact with technology. There's no question. That's good. You know, that's a good thing, and we're going to have to adapt, but we're going to love what happens.